If you're considering becoming an Airbnb landlord, there are a few strategies you can employ to maximize your earning potential. Now, here's a guide on how to make money as an Airbnb landlord. First, optimize your listing. Take high quality photos that showcase the unique features of your property and write a compelling description. Set competitive but profitable prices by researching similar listings in your area. 2. Focus on guest experience. Providing exceptional hospitality can lead to positive reviews and repeat bookings. Now, ensure your property is clean, well maintained, and equipped with necessary amenities. Promptly respond to guest inquiries and provide clear and detailed instructions for check-in and check-out. Consider offering extra services or amenities that can attract guests and justify higher rates. This includes things like bicycles, offering a welcome basket with local goodies, or partnering with local businesses to offer discounts to your guests. Now, maximize occupancy by managing your calendar effectively. Set minimum stay requirements during peak seasons to attract longer bookings. Consider adjusting your pricing based on demand and seasonality. To stand out among the competition, consider enhancing your property's appeal. Invest in minor upgrades such as fresh paint, stylish decor, or comfortable furnishings. Highlight unique features of your property such as a garden or a rooftop terrace or stunning water views. Consider enlisting the help of a co-host or property management service to handle day-to-day tasks like guest communications, cleaning, and maintenance. This can free up your time and ensure a smooth operation. Lastly, understand and comply with local regulations and tax requirements. Ensure you have any necessary permits or licenses to legally operate an Airbnb. And make sure you have accurate records of your rental income and expenses for tax purposes. Who you work with matters.